Custom paper bags put your brand in customers' hands. In this video, we will show you how to print personalized paper bags using Breva. Set the plain paper bag on the jig template and place it through Breva Printer. Load your design and transfer it on Breva Control Center. Press Confirm to start printing. With Breva Printer, you can print on objects up to 50 mm in height, be it wood, plastic, or glass. In Breva Printer, you can use variety of inks like UV, solvent, and water-based ink with color white, black, red, yellow, and blue. And in just 15 seconds, you now have your paper bags instantly designed. Create unique prints on paper bags in any special occasion and imprint your logo, images, and text on promotional paper bags with Breva, the most compact flatbed printer. For more information, visit our website at www.multisys.me. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.